In this video, we're going to show you to install the battery hold down on your Jeep Grand Cherokee located beside your battery. You're going to locate your battery hold down, and that is right beside the battery, the lower portion closest to the engine. And we're going to use our 10mm socket and extension. Go ahead, loosen and remove that bolt in the center of it. Pull that up. Now, installing the new hold down here, it actually states right on the side of our particular block, it says this side battery. So we're going to put that facing our battery. You can tell by the wedge design here. This side here clamps down on the bottom edge of our battery, and this side here is the wedge that locks it down into the battery tray. Go ahead and feed that down into place. Now we find it's easier just to pull off our socket and extension and go ahead and start that by hand. Once you get that started, go ahead and install your tool. And what you want to do is gently snug that down. You don't want to make this super tight, just enough to lock that battery into place. Once you feel that slow down, go ahead and give that battery a little wiggle. Now our battery is nice and secure. You're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.